Leo, will it grind? Okay. I'm playing will it grind? Okay, a cup. Yeah, that would definitely grind. Okay, can this grind? That is satisfying, by the way. Oh. Dude, okay. Unlock eggplant. Okay. I think it'll grind. I told you to. Okay, rose again. What else can I buy? Oh, banana. I can't buy that yet, though. Good. How about a cup? Now I can buy the banana. Great. This makes me feel happy because I hate bananas. It's not grinding. Grind smooth. You mushy thing. That's why I hate you so much. Okay, good. Wait, coin. Wait, how does that... Watch out, no, miss out. How does the coin grind? Put this eggplant. Put this cucumber. But I know I can buy something and it's the brick. And it grinds. This is actually fun. A key, does this grind? Yes, it does. Oh wait, what's this? Not enough keys. Okay, I'll grind this. No, miss out. Wait, did I? Oh no. I'm gonna miss out. That was a very bad mistake, but we are hopping through here. Okay, we'll grind. Yes, it will. This disgusting banana. Please grind properly. What's the most expensive item? Okay, corn's not. Wait, carrot is one. Okay, what's the most expensive but? This one, 800k. Okay, I'm not grinding that. Yes, I'm not grinding it. Yes, good. It pushed up. $2,000. Good. Oh, now I can buy this. The rose. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is a hard one. The rose is hard. Get eaten alive. Okay, and it does grind. Oh, no, another key. We need the keys. I'm not gonna make this video so long because I already recorded a video and have less time before I go and eat my lunch. So this is gonna just be 8 minutes. I think I'll check. Okay. Nice. Can I buy anything? Ooh. Oh, you can buy it. You can buy it. Alright. It does grind. How much more things should we grind? We need to get the corn. We're gonna stop at the corn's level. It'll take a little time. It gives us 75. 400. But this gives us a lot, but... Wait, what's this? I don't know, glass? Wait, what? That's a new item. That is. But I'm not watching an ad, dude. I'm not. Boom. Boom. Back, faster back, boom. You grind it up. This gives us 400. Good. I don't know what this gives us, but we're gonna find out. How much this gives us? 200. Okay. Well, another like the yellow roses. Well, we unlocked the corn, but let's see this before we end the video. That's all, but guys, anyways, bye all.